Now we are going to learn that is prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay, that is prime numbers, okay, and composite numbers. Okay. What is meant by that is prime numbers, which means the number itself and 1 as a multiples only call. It has prime numbers which has only 1 and the number itself as a factor. Okay, and composite number, it has more than 2 numbers as a factor, that is composite number. I will explain with example. That is prime number, that is 2, okay, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, these are called and 11, 13. Okay, these numbers, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13 are called prime numbers. Listen here, here that is 2 means only that is 1 into 2. Okay, and it has more. It does not have any other factor for 2, and that means 3 also 1 into 3 and 5 also 1 into 5, and similarly that is 7 1 into 7, and for 11 1 into 11, that is 13 means that is 1 into 13. All these number itself and 1 has a factor. These numbers are called prime numbers. Okay, do you understand now? It does not have any other factor more than the number itself and the 1. So these are called that is prime numbers. It does not have more any factors. But composite numbers, which we see here, that is 4. That is 4 means here that is 1 into 4 and 2 2s are 4. Okay, so it has more factors. Okay, and for 6, that is 1 6 is 6 and 3 2s are 6 and 2 3s are 6, like that, 6. And for 8, okay, 1 into 8 and 2 4s are 8 and 4 2s are 8, like that. So it has more than the number and 1 itself, that, and more than 2 factors, which is called composite numbers. Okay, so this is called prime numbers, prime numbers and composite number. Prime numbers, it has only 2 factors, but composite number, it has more than 2 factors. Okay, and we move on to the next, that is prime factorization method. Okay, let me see next topic, that is prime factorization. Factorization, prime factorization. That is, factorization means to write down the, okay, multiples, okay, multiples of given number only by prime numbers. Okay, factorization is a, that means you have to factorize, means a tree method, okay, to find out the multiples, because here that is 30, find out its multiples, factors, that means 6 into 5. For 20, that is 4 into 5, that is a factorization method. Okay, for 12, that is 4 into 3. Okay, write down this method is factorization method. By using only the prime numbers for factorization, that is called prime factorization. Okay, I show that is one number for, that is 12. Okay, for 12, okay, do you understand the meaning of factorization? This is a method of factorization, that is a tree method. So you have to find the factors of 12, that means here 4 into 3. Okay, 4 3s are 12. Okay, and again write down this for 4, again 2 2s are 4. Okay, this 3 is a prime number. So factorization with a prime number, these also a prime number. So by using the factorization method, only using prime numbers, which is called prime factorization. So write down this here, prime factorization, that is 12 is equal to that means 2 into 2 into 3. This is a factorization method. Okay, by writing this 2 into 2 into 3. These three numbers are the factorization method. Okay, for example, one more example for prime factorization, that is 20. Here 4 into 5. Okay, so 4 into 5, that means 20. Here 4 means, here again that is 2 into 2. Okay, so that is factorization method by using this prime number. Here 2 and 5. These three numbers is a prime number. So factorization by using the prime number, that is called prime factorization. And here write down this prime factorization, that is 12 is equal to 2 into this 2 and into 5. So by using the prime number. So this is called prime factorization method. Okay. So today we have learned, that is multiples and facts about multiples, and by using find out the multiples, and we have discussed the least common multiple, that is LCM. Okay, and again we are going to that is we have learned factors. Okay, what is meant by factors and the facts about factors, and discuss about the highest common factor, that is HCF. Okay, and to check out whether the number is a multiple or factor by dividing method. If a remainder is 0, that's a multiple and factor. That is more than 0, apart from 0, that is not a multiple and factor of given number. And next we have learned, that is prime number and composite number. That is prime number which has only 2 factors, and composite number which has more than 2 factors. And finally we have discussed, that is prime factorization method by factorizing by using prime numbers. Okay, I hope you have very much that is you gain about this topic, and share it with your friends and relatives, and watch Pebbles Tamil. Thank you.